In this video, we will cover how to return items that were borrowed via Prospector in the AspenCat Koha system. When items borrowed through Prospector come back to your library, you will need to check them in. From the Koha homepage, select Circulation, then click the Check-in option. Key in or scan the item barcode into the field and click the Check-in button. A confirmation dialog will appear with the note, Prospector ILL. Click Yes Check-in to proceed. This action will automatically update the request to a status of item in transit to owning library, and the temporary bibliographic record that was created in Koha will be removed. You do not need to update the request in the ILL module, but to illustrate all of the things that happened upon completing the check-in, I'm going to show you a couple of things. First, I'll click on the title from the check-in grid to show that the temp item has been removed. To view the request record, I will navigate to the ILL Requests module from the More drop-down menu. Within the ILL Requests module, I'll use the filtering options on the right to do a keyword search for the item title. When I find the item in the ILL Requests queue, I can click on the request ID to see more information, including that the request status was automatically updated to item in transit to owning library. At this point, the item is ready to go back to the owning library, and you will need to manually create a courier slip. This is an example of what a courier slip you might create will look like. You can determine the lending library based on the ownership stamps and stickers on the item, and using that information, look up their courier code. Courier codes can be found on Qlik's Courier Code Lookup tool at qlikweb.org/library-courier/courier-code-lookup. Check out the Swift knowledge base at swift.cblsites.org/knowledge-base for additional videos covering AspenCat Koha procedures for Prospector requests. And if you have questions about returning Prospector items, please contact us at swift-support@coloradovirtuallibrary.org.